y'all, today I'm going to do a quick Goodwill try on. So let's go ahead and get it started, y'all. Let's do it. This is the first outfit, guys, and it's cotton leopard with ruffly type sleeves, and of course the green pants. And these shoes, I don't know if y'all can see them or not, but they're Toms. It's like a kind of like a suede type shoe. But I think this outfit is real cute. Something that's very comfortable. And you can just throw it on, go to the grocery store, what have you. So, you totally have to see it. Okay, y'all, this is the next outfit. Like, duh, right? It's just real, to me, it's like a flirty, cute summer outfit that you could just throw on. You saw that on the spot, Bill. And guess what? These shorts got pockets, and they're real comfortable, guys. It's just a elastic waist. I think this shirt is real flirty, but yet covers up nicely. It's comfortable, guys. I don't feel like totally like scandalous or what have you, but okay, guys, this is the next outfit. I really like this outfit, guys. It's super comfortable, right up my alley. I feel like it's, once again, girls' night out, as well as your dude or whatever. But I really think you can jazz it up. You add a belt, take it in the front, maybe, you know, very versatile. Tags falling off. But I really like it. And remember, guys, all these items are from Goodwill. Not in one day, but when I see something, I was like, okay, it looks unique, and I think it's my colors. So if y'all gonna notice a pattern, green, yellow, and leopard, that's your girl in denim. Come on, y'all. And this is the last outfit, guys. Now, I'm gonna tell you, I will wear a black bra with this, so don't let this white bra fool you guys. I just can't find my black bra, so you're getting the white one. But y'all, this, of course, you still got pockets. I know I'm a jumper girl, so, And I don't know if y'all can see it, but it got little tassels. So, maybe I'll take a better picture at the end. Don't hold your breath. But it got tassels, guys, so hopefully you can see the tassels. I'm a tassel girl too, y'all. So, now this is giving me vacation vibes all the way. Sitting by the pool vibes. Where my margarita at? Pina colada vibes. It's also real comfortable, guys. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, Please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook your girl up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video. Boo, boo, boo.